What are you doing, bro?
Oh, what's up, Mike? Shit, man, roast the fucking marshmallows, bro. It's hot. It's cold as fuck outside.
I mean, I know it's cold, bro, but like this a TV, bro.
Bro, it's fire, G.
Bro, what the fuck? That shit really worked?
Bro, I ain't playing.
That's crazy. It's a TV, bro.
It's fire, bro.
It burnt that motherfucker.
You don't know what fire does, G? That's weird. That's the shit. That's the stuff.
What the fuck?
Hold outside. Hold outside.
Bro, wait, what the fuck?
Yo, I told you. There we go. It's ready too.
What the fuck? That worked?